So, choose this because I can't afford to go and get it. Oh, no. It's still working.
Take two.
Take two. So, what's in the box, huh? That is shaking. Okay, I'm gonna have to go this real slow. I can't be bothered to go and get a knife. So we use the key, the famous car key. Oh my god, I can see that camera dropping again. Oh, this is stressful. This is like Christmas came so early. Oh, this is definitely Christmas. Right, sneak peek.
Yeah, definitely Christmas.
Your goodies, because we need this for sure.
Oh!
So, we are investing on ourselves, guys. We've just bought ourselves a nice new toy. Straight in for the toy. Ooh, the glory days are here. So, I don't even want to take this out of here. Here she comes out. Oh. We're stepping it up with the R6. So we've just invested on another toy, right? And me being me, I'm not happy with just one toy, so I'm looking for another toy. So yeah, we're just investing, hopefully making the right moves to make some good content and, you know, like create great memories, because to be fair, we've bought what we've bought to record our memories and then share it with you guys. So, what's the word? The first plan is to create great memories, and then we can record them. So obviously we'll film it, document it, and then we can just go back to it and just review them. And you know, like those days that you have in London where it's like rainy and cloudy and everyone's just like really moody, and so we can just look back at the videos, especially this one here. She gets so moody. She loves going back to the videos and photos we take.
I get moody.
Yeah, you get moody. I get moody too. It's not just her, obviously. But it's a good thing to like bring you back up when you're down. So like when you're feeling really low and you're like, oh, I really can't be bothered today. You just go onto those memories, you go into those videos, you look at those beautiful views, and you'll be like, yeah, that was me that recorded that. That was me that made that video, and that is me that experienced that experience. And hopefully that will drive you to go out there, get out of the country and have some fun and explore new places and have new experiences. So yeah, this is why we're doing what we're doing, to give you the motivation to go and do stuff and experience new things, and
this is getting deep.
Create new memories. Yeah, I'm getting a bit deep. Sorry guys. So guys,
You're not in the frame.
I am in the frame now. We had to wait for this to come through. I don't know if you saw the other video. I was way too trigger happy. But we got ourselves another toy. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? It is a Mini 3. And what a place to bring it to, because we got views for days. And we was outside already today. And
Do you want my key?
yeah, it would help actually. We was outside already today, and we literally was just like, oh my god, we need to come and open this drone, because the views we're gonna get from here, like, it's just absolutely insane. And the weather seems to be holding out very, very nicely. So we've come to the B&B now. She's not doing a very good job of opening this.
It's because the key's not... it's not sharp.
Make it sharp. See? That's how you do it. That's how you do it. But yeah, we are hoping that the weather holds out. Because at the moment the weather is looking very, very nice. If it does hold out, we'll get to play with this and show you how we get on with it. But this seems to be one of the best drones out there without needing an actual license to use, because this, guys, is like tiny. I'm going to show you. Absolutely tiny. It's called a Mini for a reason. There's the seal. We break the seal.
We'll obviously let you know how we get on.
Yeah.
Well, we'll show you how we get on.
Wow, this looks so fragile.
Look, it was.
Look at the size of this.
Look at my hand.
It's insane.
And my hand's small.
Yeah, hand is small.
My hand's tiny. It probably doesn't look tiny.
Wow. I mean,
oh my god, it's so cute.
Cute. It's cute.
Look.
Guys, it's cute. Put it in perspective. She's got the, what is this? The iPhone 6 Plus?
Yeah.
So iPhone 6 Plus, right? This is the Mini. This is the iPhone 6 Plus.
Oh, it's smaller than the phone.
It is smaller, guys. Look at that. It's small. And in this perspective, obviously it's thicker. I mean, we can't, you know, but if you look at it from here, in this perspective maybe. Yeah, that's the top. This bit is the bottom. But yeah, we got ourselves a drone. Fun times. Fun times ahead. Super duper excited to play with this, because this is like every guy's toy, right? Like, what? Oh my god. The remote control.
It's literally a toy.
Yeah, it's literally a toy. So tiny. It's like, I don't even know how to use it.
Oh, this is gonna be so scary.
Yeah, first flight is gonna be really scary because...
Wait, but where's the toggle?
The toggle is inside. So it's here.
Oh.
So this is the remote control.
It's so fresh.
All the controls up top.
Oh, there's an app. There's an app.
And then you got the toggles here, which you just screw onto the front, basically.
And then it's got like your app, video tutorial and stuff at the top. So it doesn't come with like loads of paper, which is good.
Very eco-friendly.
Eco.
And this is the cable, I guess, for charging.
Only a little bit of plastic. Not bad.
Well done, DJI. Can't wait to put it up in the air. Maybe we're gonna need to charge the battery, so I don't think today we'll be able to put it up in the air. However, tomorrow we'll probably put it up in the air and see how we get on with it.
How do we charge this?
So it's got the charger there. And here's the thing.
What do we plug it into?
So there's plugs on there. Okay, so we're not gonna bore you now. We're gonna try and figure out how to use this, because otherwise it's just gonna get extremely boring, the video. But yeah, we've now got 2 new toys ready to use for recording some great memories with. So we just need to make sure we don't get it confiscated, because there's quite some few strict regulations with flying drones everywhere. Everywhere is different, but yeah, that's up to us to find out and make sure that we stay within the law. We are law-abiding citizens.
Yeah, we'll let you know how it goes.
If y'all know, that's from Taken. I'm a law-abiding citizen. Alright guys, I'll see you in a bit.